Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to explore the ultimate hypercar, the 2025 Pagani Huayra Zonda. The Zonda's story began in 1999, when Horacio Pagani unveiled the first generation. This Italian masterpiece has since become a benchmark for exclusivity and performance. Horacio Pagani remarks, "The Huayra Zonda is a tribute to our heritage, blending past and present." The 2025 Pagani Huayra Zonda's design is a fusion of retro and futuristic elements. Its sleek, LED headlights with distinctive daytime running lights are intricately crafted. Gull-wing doors, chiseled fenders, and a swooping roofline create a dramatic silhouette. The LED taillights with a distinctive light signature complete the Zonda's stunning exterior. Inside, you'll find premium leather and Alcantara trim, digital instrument cluster, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated seats. The 2025 Pagani Huayra Zonda starts at around $2.8 million. Under the hood, the Zonda packs 6.0L twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 789 horsepower and 774 lb-ft torque, 7-speed automated manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, top speed of 235 miles per hour. Key features include advanced aerodynamics package, electronically controlled rear differential, carbon ceramic brake system, exclusive forged wheels. What sets the Huayra Zonda apart? Its handcrafted construction, stunning design, and unparalleled performance. Horacio Pagani's vision is evident in every detail, making the Huayra Zonda a true collector's item. With its unmatched exclusivity, innovative technology, and breathtaking design, the 2025 Pagani Huayra Zonda is the ultimate driving experience. If you're as captivated as we are by the Huayra Zonda, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive news. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Zonda nameplate.